Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Nougat skin in Roblox Easy method. Start by locating the named outfit pieces in the avatar shop, then purchase or trade for them using Robux or trades. Next, adjust body colors to match Nougat tones and apply layers in the correct order to achieve a smooth look. Finally, save the outfit as a bundle and test in-game to confirm the appearance and fit. Search the avatar shop using precise keywords like Nougat skin or Nougat outfit to find matching items quickly. Use filters for category and price to narrow down results, and verify creator names to avoid lookalikes. If budget is tight, explore trading groups or community channels where players sell or swap pieces for lower cost. Always preview items on your avatar before purchasing to ensure color and fit match your desired Nougat look. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with those leak-proof containers. They keep costumes and props safe between sessions and prevent sticky messes after snack breaks. I love how they stack neatly in a gaming room, and they're perfect for on-the-go packing. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Adjust your avatar body colors to warm beige and light tan shades that mimic Nougat tones, and apply them consistently across head, torso, and limbs for harmony. Layer clothing items carefully, putting base layers first and adding textured pieces on top to create depth without clipping. Tweak transparency and accessory placement to smooth transitions, and preview the avatar in multiple game lighting settings to ensure the Nougat skin looks natural everywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.